Chase Neptco's Isolation Switches. Available in 5-pole and 2-pole, an excellent way to organize your trace-safe tracer wire systems. Easily isolate or combine all the grounds to all your tracer wires with the flip of a switch. Included is an isolated ground lug to accommodate up to a number 6 bare copper ground wire. With the integrated trace-safe connectors at each pole, terminating your trace-safe isolation switch is simple. Notice how each connector is specifically designed to accommodate the trace-safe, make contact with the center conductor, and maximize signal flow. Simply slide the trace-safe into the connector and using a standard 7/16 wrench, ratchet the lug, making contact with the center conductor, allowing signal to flow and the pole to be locked into place. When the isolation switch is in the down or on position, the single ground wire provides a ground path for all 5 poles, allowing all 5 to be located effectively. When the isolation switch is in the up or off position, all 5 poles are ungrounded and isolated from each other. This is a handy feature for maintenance or to single out a specific tracer wire that you want to isolate from the others for locate. All features to add flexibility to your trace-safe system. When utilizing TST 600 or TST 250 Select, an isolation bushing is provided to position your trace-safe in the specific position needed. This allows the system to accommodate RT 1800 trace-safe, TST 600, and TST 250 Select in one isolation switch. The ground lug will accommodate up to a number 6 bare copper ground wire. A convenient and isolated ground lug allows for the insertion of the ground wire into the ground lug, threaded and locked into place, ready to tie into your ground bar or your ground rod. The Neptco Isolation Switch Series is a great way to add flexibility and reliability to your trace-safe tracer wire system.